A common question I get is, hey Zen, why are my designs so terrible? I'm not very creative, and is there a way that I can level up my design and create variance in an easy way? So in this video, I'm going to walk through a couple techniques that I use, and I think they're really easy. So I'm in Photoshop, although don't get hung up on Photoshop. You could use Affinity Photo or any graphics design software. I'm going to go in here now and place a silhouette image. Okay, so here's my kitty cat that I'm going to use. Now, most people, especially if you're first starting out, you would just place the cat in the middle of the template here, and you would just say, well, there's my design. And it's not great. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great. So how do you make this design better? The problem with this is that if you've got it on a black t-shirt, it's going to be black. It's a black cat on a black t-shirt. It's not going to look good. So here's a way that you can level up this design. I'm going to make this design here just a bit smaller. I'm going to add in now another layer, and I'm going to create, I'm just going to pick, say, yellow, and I'm going to make a circle in the background. Now I'm going to put the cat on top of the circle. And now here's the kicker. I'm going to combine both of these layers together, and then using the eraser tool, I'm going to erase out the cat. That's my design now. So if I've got, and I'll just put in a black background now, if I've got a black t-shirt, now my design is a black cat on a black t-shirt. But if I've got a white t-shirt, then I'm going to have a white cat on a white t-shirt. So you can see here, it's pretty easy to scale up these designs because really, if you've got 13 different t-shirt colors, you've now got 13 different designs. It's not a black cat, it's a whatever cat on whatever color t-shirt you've got. Say hello to Pinky the cat on a pink t-shirt. You can imagine the t-shirt color in the background, and then you've got the color of the cat now matching the shirt because the cat is the negative design. You can then scale this up even farther by adding in some kind of texture. So for example, now I'm going to combine the wood layer with the circle, and now I've got a wooden circle with nothing in the middle, but it looks like a cat. So depending on the color of the t-shirt, it would now completely pop. It's a negative space design. Okay, so here's another example. This is a big wolf here, wolf silhouette. So I'm just going to go in and make this a bit smaller. Put it right in the middle of my Merch by Amazon template here. And then I'm going to add in a retro sunset. Retro sunset pops up. I'm going to just put this here in the middle. I'm going to make the wolf just a bit smaller so that it sits inside. I'll put the wolf on top. Okay, so I like the way that looks. So now all I'm going to do is just merge the two layers together. In Photoshop, it's just clicking on both layers using the Alt key, and then you can see now it merges these two layers together. I actually take it one step farther. I right-click both layers, and I go into Merge Layers. That creates one solid layer. Now I go in with the Magic Eraser tool, and I can erase the wolf so that it's now truly gone. So now you can imagine if it's on a black t-shirt, I'll just put a black background on. That's what the actual design would look like. It's a very elegant looking design, but it's not actually saved as a JPEG with a black background. It's saved as a PNG, and therefore the background is transparent. So this looks good on any color t-shirt. It's an extremely simple way to make negative space really pop on a t-shirt, coffee mug, fine art print, what have you. Hope you found this video helpful. Very quick walkthrough on some design techniques. Here's another video on how you can easily level up your print-on-demand skills. Thanks a lot for watching.